Hello friends, welcome back to VTV Learning. I am Vivek Tamlarasan. Today we are going to see how to send weekly or monthly performance score or KPI score update to each staff in your team. This update you can send through a separate email using mail merge. This is very helpful to share daily updates, weekly updates, or even monthly updates, performance incentive, etc. This topic was requested by one of our subscriber in comment section. Let's get into the topic. Here I have a sample team performance report based on their KPI metrics. Consider this as a monthly team performance report and I want to communicate within my team individually. For that, you need to ensure your table contains their respective email address in any of the column. I have it here in column B, so it will be helpful to share individual communication. Now we will create a new Word document for drafting email. For that, I'm going to open Word document. Just click on the blank document. I'm saving this file in the same path where I have team performance Excel report. You can see both file is available in the same path. In the Word document, you need to click on mailing, then click start mail merge, then click on letter. Post that it adjusts the size to letter format. Now just type the body of the email that you require. Here I have typed my content. I need to add a table because in that table I can add their scores and other KPI metrics. Let's see. I'm clicking on insert, then table. I'm selecting 10 cross 2. So it will contains 2 rows, 10 columns. Let me add the title for each column similar to the one we have in our Excel. If you want to add extra columns, just select first 2 rows of the last column, then right click on insert, then insert column to the right. I have updated my required details. Let me format it. I'm going to apply the same color format that is available in my Excel report. Select the cell and click on table design. You can click on shading. I want all headers in bold format. Apply bold format. Right click and click on auto fit content. Now click on layout. You need to adjust the height. Mention 0.3. That will be the proper row height. And you can click on center alignment. Now we will import the Excel table into Word document. Before doing that, you need to enable two options. For that, you need to click on File, then Option, click on Advanced, scroll down, and you will get the general category. In that, you need to enable Confirm File Format Conversion and allow opening a document in draft view. By enabling this option, this is to ensure all values that is available in Excel will retain same in the body of our email. This two option must be enabled before loading your Excel file. Then click OK. Now let me load the Excel file. Click on mailing, click select recipients and select use an existing list. Select the file where it is located. To be safer side, I have allocated my file in the same path. Select the Excel file, then click on Open. There will be a dialog box which will ask you to select the proper format. In that, you need to select Show All, then scroll down and select Microsoft Excel worksheet via DDE. Then click OK. One more dialog box will open like this. Just click on OK. Post that, you will have a list of options enabled now. You see, the one which I have highlighted here has been enabled now. Okay, let's load the respective data on each cell. So in the name category, I want the name from Excel table. So you need to click on insert merge field. You will be having the list of header name that is available in Excel. So you just select the header name. Then for attendance, I need the attendance score. So please ensure you will be selecting the appropriate headers data. I have updated each cell's data from Excel table. You don't worry about the table format. It will be automatically adjusted once you send an email. I need to add the same name here as well. Post updating all details, just click on preview result and you would be able to see the exact score of the respective staff. You can see all scores by clicking on the next button so that you can ensure whether everything is properly updated. Okay, I'm just removing the preview result. I want to bold the bottom row item. Let me bold that. Click finish and you can click on send email messages. You will get a dialog box like this. Just select to as an email. So this will automatically open your Outlook and trigger email. You can update the subject line. Mail format, which will be a HTML format. If you want to send as an attachment, you can click on attachment or plain text. So let it be like this HTML, and I'm going to test it with one record. Let me click on current record so that current record will be sent to my email. Email has been triggered. I have got the notification here. Let me open it. You can see it is perfectly good. So our test email is good. Now we can trigger the entire email by clicking on finish and merge, then select. You need to click on all, then click OK. The email will be triggered to entire recipients. Let me close this file and try to add one agent in our Excel list. Then we will open it again and check. I have opened my team performance report once again. I'm going to add one more name here. I'm going to copy the same data as above. Now let me save this file and let me open the Word document. While opening the document, it will prompt you to check whether do you need to run the same command. That means it checked the Excel file which was loaded earlier. I'm clicking yes. Our Word document has been opened now. Let me click on the mailing, then click on preview result. Let me select the last record. Yes, it is updated. So likewise, if you want to include any additional stuff, you can include it and you can use it to share an update to your team. That's all for this video. We will also see how to share a quarterly updates to a team. I'll prepare a separate video for this, and I would like to thank Azar for sharing this topic. If you have any queries, suggestions, or any request, please do mention in comment section. I'll review it and prepare a video as soon as possible. Thank you friends. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.